Assalamu alaikum 6th class. How are you? Today is our 16th online lecture of intensive course in English. Let's start our lesson now. Open your books and go to the page number 58. Unit 8.4 Structure 20. We already have learned about the structure in our previous lesson. अब आप ध्यान से यहाँ देखिए subject, verb, object, to, infinitive plus etc. Now we have to divide the following sentences are based on the story. To try to divide each sentence into how many parts? 5 parts. We have to divide the sentences into 5 parts. Now look at the sentence number 1. Captain Yoko directed his men to save every possible item. Captain Yoko directed his men to save every possible item. What is the subject in the sentence? Captain Yoko. What is the verb? It's a directed. Directed. Object. His men. The people to whom he is giving the order. His men. To plus first form of verb means infinitive and then plus etc. every possible item. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. We have divided the sentences into 5 possible parts. अब इसी तरह आप अगले सेंटेंस की तरफ देखें. He ordered the soldiers to carry the 2 wounded men. अब इसमें सब्जेक्ट क्या है? काम करने वाला कौन है? He. क्या काम किया उसने? ऑर्डर्ड. उसने ऑर्डर दिया. उसके बाद किसको ऑर्डर दिया? सोल्जर्स को. तो ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? सोल्जर्स. टू के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इंफिनिटिव प्लस एटसेट्रा द 2 वाउंडेड मैन. अब इसी तरह सेंटेंस नंबर 3 है. आप इसको खुद 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कीजिएगा. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास आ जाते हैं डू एज डायरेक्टेड. ठीक है, टेंसेस में ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस कई लेक्चर्स में डिफाइन कर चुकी हूँ, आपको पूरी डिटेल बता चुकी हूँ. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिफाइन द टेंसेस अगेन हियर. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वर्क हियर. डू oral practice at home. The teacher tells them to read loudly. Tells, it means it is a present indefinite tense and we will use the helping verb does. The teacher tells them to read loudly. We have to change it into negative. The teacher does not tell them to read loudly. Interrogative. Does the teacher tell them to read loudly? Statement and question tag. The teacher tells them to read loudly, doesn't he? Now you can see any other sentence. We beg her to stay for the night. We beg her to stay for the night. We, plural, subject, beg first form of verb. It means we are going to use the helping verb do. First of all, we will change it into negative. We do not beg her to stay for the night. Do we beg her to stay for the night? And now statement and question tag. We beg her to stay for the night, don't we? Now look at the number 7. Mr. Wong taught his son to make a kite. Here is the word taught. It is the second form of verb of teach. It means it is a simple past tense. Simple past tense. So we are going to use a helping verb did here. First of all, we will change it into negative. Mr. Wong did not teach his son to make a kite. Did Mr. Wong teach his son to make a kite? Mr. Wong taught his son to make a kite, didn't he? Didn't he? Now you can see the last one. The policeman commands the thief to drop his gun. Policeman commands. First form of verb with as. It means we are going to use a helping verb does. First of all, we will change it into negative. The policeman does not command the thief to drop his gun. Does the policeman command the thief to drop his gun? And the last one, statement and question tag. The policeman commands the thief to drop his gun. Doesn't he? इसी तरह जो बाकी के जो मैंने नहीं किए उसकी आप खुद से प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा। नाउ कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट। कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस बीनीथ द पिक्चर्स। पिक्चर्स के नीचे जो सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं वी हैव टू कंप्लीट देम यूजिंग द पैटर्न ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर 20। जो अभी प्रीवियस स्ट्रक्चर 20 हमने पढ़ा है उसके पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंगली हमने इनको कंप्लीट करना है। नाउ लुक एट द पिक्चर। हियर इज अ रॉबर और अ थीफ। द रॉबर ऑर्डर्स हिम टू। अब रॉबर क्या ऑर्डर कर सकता है उसको, ये देखें छुरी उसने वहाँ रखी है, उसने हैंड्स अप किया है। द रॉबर ऑर्डर्स हिम टू गिव हिज मनी। उसको ऑर्डर कर रहा है कि वो उसको पैसे दे दे। नाउ हियर इज अ बॉय। is a boy, he is holding newspaper in his hands. It means he is a newsboy and she is standing in her window. She asked the newsboy to give her a newspaper. to के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इन्फिनेटिव यूज कर रहे हैं हम। to give her a newspaper. Now look at the picture number 3. The manager tells the office boy. वो क्या लेकर आ रहा है ऑफिस बॉय? टी लेकर आ रहा है, सूप लेकर आ रहा है, जो भी आप कह सकते हैं, चाय होगी, कॉफ़ी होगी। द मैनेजर टेल्स द ऑफिस बॉय टू के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ओवर ब्रिंग मी अ कप ऑफ टी। द मैनेजर टेल्स द ऑफिस बॉय टू ब्रिंग मी अ कप ऑफ टी। पिक्चर नंबर 4। मिस्टर ची टेल्स द बुचर मिसेस ची टेल्स द बुचर टू, क्या कह रही हैं उसको? chop the meat into small pieces. Now look at the picture number 5. I want you to. अब यहाँ पर बॉटल है और बॉटल के साथ ओपनर है, बॉटल ओपनर। I want you to open the bottle. टू के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म वर्ब का इस्तेमाल है, इस चीज़ को आप ध्यान में रखिएगा। I want you, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट पहले आ रहा है इन सब सेंटेंसेस में। ये देखें, सब्जेक्ट want you, object to open infinitive the bottle. The doctor told him to take medicine regularly. Number 7. My friend asked me to cut fruit. My friend asks me to cut fruit. Now look at the picture number 8. He invites me to drink a cup of tea. Now move on the next page number 60. Here is also a picture. The boy is going to post the letter, so now read the sentence and complete it. I told him to post the letter. Now look at the next picture. Here is a baby in his cot. She told the amma to pick her baby up. आपने होप सो मेरे साथ साथ लिख लिया होगा। Now learn your lesson by heart and do practice at home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.